Welcome to my channel. This is a new render of the 2027 BMW 7. The new front end now includes narrow headlights with LED daytime running lights in the same housings, a smaller radiator grille and a redesigned bumper. There are also new, larger concave alloy wheels in a tuning style with yellow brake calipers, as well as a subtle gloss black aerodynamic body kit. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel.